Hello guys, welcome to Roblucy's channel. Please subscribe and leave a like, and please leave a good comment. And I really want you to subscribe because I'm not getting any more subscribers. I think I am, it's just they're not coming up. Well, anyway, today I want to give out a shout out to my friend. He plays Roblox, but his name is Italy is Cool. I would appreciate it if you guys really like that shout out. But today I'm gonna show you where the fire truck is in Jailbreak. So you would think it would be in the town or a city, but your answer is wrong. It would never. It is not in the city. And I am gonna test out the fire truck today. So it's not at the train station either. It's not at the gas station, but I might as well rob it. And so it's here somewhere. I know where it is, it's just that I need to rob. Oh, and yeah, they changed the jailbreak thing by a lot, like the gas station and the donut shop. Whoa, that was a crazy glitch. So see that little station over there? When I turn left, there I see a fire truck. It's worth 75,000. Oh cool, you can climb up the ladder. Oh my god. Oh, you could kind of go in under the But look at that. I can climb up the ladder in case I can escape or something. Handy. So, it's pretty cool. So, all I need is 75,000, and then you can afford the fire truck. So, the crazy rich people out there can afford a fire truck. So that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All I need to do is rob the museum. And then I would be able to do anything. Then I can use the fire truck. But I'm kind of I'm disappointed you can't scoop water out of it. But that's the most. But that's the thing. That's it. That's all you practically need to know. That's holy cow! I was gonna. Yeah, that's the end of my car. Now I'm gonna go in the museum. $225. That's a while. Oh. Wouldn't it be cool if there was, and if you can be a citizen in Jailbreak. Oh, I know this video is about Roblox, but well, if you ever played Fortnite, did you know that people are trying to get these trucks that can you can respawn like a friend, but I'm not sure if they're coming out soon or something, because it doesn't sound like it to me. Oh no. Yeah, all I can do is just wait. And I need a flashlight. Oh no. Here they come. Oh. Well, all I know is a museum robbery will not happen soon. And do you hate when it's like takes 20 seconds to like get in the truck? It just gets annoying. Well, I'm kind of considering ending it here because I know you guys don't want to watch me just rob a museum. But I'm gonna try one more time to escape prison. Hey, that was a police officer. Okay, now I can rob. Yes, I can rob everything. Haha! Sucker! Yeah, I'm gonna first kill the cop for fun. Good! Ah, well. Guys, that's the end of my YouTube video. Oh. And I'm gonna give a shout out to Italy is cool over here. So, bye. And please leave a good comment and subscribe. Bye.